All right, guys, today we're looking at the TEVA sandals. But before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you want to buy these, check them out in the description below. So these are the TEVA sandals. These are kind of like your lower quality Chacos. At least that's what I've been told. They're more shoe-like than Chacos, because Chacos, you got straps all over the place, and I frankly hate how Chacos look. So I picked these up, and I am not impressed. You can see right here, this one has already torn out. Now, I have worn these quite a bit for different things, such as like stream crossing, on backpacking trips, stuff like that. But you can see here the front strap on both of these has actually torn out, which makes these basically worthless now. They have decent grip on the bottom, so they've got a good grip there, and until they actually tore out, I enjoyed them quite a bit. But frankly, I expected more from TEVA than to have their straps start to tear out, which is interesting because these are actually leather, so I didn't expect them to break. So I can't really recommend these as a great footwear, at least not in the long term, because they actually have a decent price tag to them, but they don't last as long as they should. So those are the TEVA sandals. Can't really recommend these for a ton of use because I'm not very pleased with them, but if you want to check those out, hit the description below. I've got links to these, and hit that subscribe button, and have a great day.